Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the FMHXG TDA2050 audio power amplifier module, specifically a pack that includes 6 of the TDA2050 chips. This is presented as a hi-fi audio power amplifier solution, designed for audio class AB amplification. The core of this module is the TDA2050 integrated circuit, a component well regarded in the DIY audio community for its performance characteristics. The description highlights that the TDA2050 provides high output current while maintaining very low levels of harmonics and crossover distortion. This is crucial for achieving that hi-fi designation, as it means the amplified sound should be clean and true to the original signal, without adding unwanted noise or artifacts, especially noticeable during transitions in the audio waveform. One notable specification mentioned is the high operating supply voltage capability, listed at 50 volts. This refers to the total supply voltage, e.g., +-25V, while the text also mentions a maximum supply voltage of 18 volts and a minimum supply voltage of 5 times 10 to the power of 1 volts, which is 50 volts. The 50V figure is consistent with the TDA2050's absolute maximum rating and suggests the module is designed to handle higher voltage supplies to potentially achieve greater power output. Though the typical operating voltage for 32W stereo output might be lower, depending on the load impedance. The module is stated to provide 32W of stereo power, utilizing 2 TDA2050V integrated circuits for this configuration, implying approximately 16W per channel, which is a common power level for the TDA2050 at typical voltages and loads like 4 or 8 ohms. The operating temperature range is quite broad, from a minimum working temperature of -40 degrees Celsius up to a maximum operating temperature of 150 degrees Celsius. This wide range indicates robustness, suggesting the module can perform reliably in various environmental conditions, although typical audio applications might not push these extremes. The description notes that the actual item is shown in the photo, but the part number marking on the chips is randomly sent. This likely means that while you receive genuine TDA2050 chips, the specific batch codes or date stamps might vary between the 6 pieces in the pack. For most users building audio projects, this variation in marking is usually not a concern as long as the chips are authentic and functional. The manufacturer is listed as FMHXG. The mounting type is listed as surface mount, which is interesting as the TDA2050 chip itself is typically a through-hole component in a pentawatt package. This might refer to other components on the module board being surface mounted, or perhaps the module itself is designed to be surface mounted onto a larger PCB, though the typical use case for these modules involves connecting wires or headers. Overall, this FMHXG TDA2050 module pack appears to offer a convenient way to acquire multiple TDA2050 chips integrated onto small boards, ready for use in DIY audio amplifier projects. Its stated features like hi-fi capability, low distortion, and ability to handle relatively high supply voltages make it an attractive option for hobbyists and makers looking to build or repair audio equipment with a known and reliable amplifier IC. The 32W stereo configuration using 2 chips provides a decent amount of power for bookshelf speakers or similar applications.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.